already growing concern around black fungus, but another concern in Gujarat that has now been raised around a new type of fungal infection that goes by the name of aspergillus. This too has emerged. Cases of this particular fungus has now been reported, at least 3 of those cases that have been reported in Ahmedabad alone. This is also commonly called at white fungus. So yet another cause of concern in the state of Gujarat that we're witnessing at this point in time already. A lot of cases of black fungus have been reported from the state of Gujarat along with several other states like Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, also the national capital, and now there are growing concerns over aspergillus, that is also known as white fungus. Priyanka, my colleague, has been tracking more on this latest situation and concern. Let's listen.
While the number of cases of mucormycosis are on the rise, Ahmedabad and Surat reporting the highest number of cases. Now another kind of post-COVID complication that we're seeing in the patients of COVID-19 is that of the white fungus as well. Mostly we see a mix of both of these in the patients post-COVID. And let's get a word from some of the family members of a patient who has also been detected with mucormycosis and also the white fungus as well. Let's get a word from them. Ma'am, if you could speak to us exactly what had happened, if you could talk to us about the symptoms of the patient while they had been detected with mucormycosis and also with the white fungus. Could you speak to us a little bit about that?
Yeah, mucormycosis के symptoms like redness in eyes and swelling. Actually मम्मी को स्पेशली ऐसे था कि redness था eyes में and eyes के नीचे swelling हो गया था. Then we come to know कि शायद ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. Then we called a physician and physician आए और उन्होंने बताया कि हमें आगे टेस्ट वगैरह करने पड़ेंगे. देन MRI करवाया तो MRI करवाने के बाद पता चला कि शायद हो सकता है mucormycosis and then we have admitted in civil hospital and then endoscopy वगैरह हुआ and biopsy reports आने के बाद it is confirmed that mucormycosis भी है and aspergillus that is a white fungus वो है दोनों infections है.
And for white fungus क्या exactly उनका क्या treatment हुआ, क्या exactly अभी स्थिति है उनकी?
ट्रीटमेंट तो अभी स्टार्ट होगा बिकॉज यस्टरडे ही बायोप्सी रिपोर्ट्स आए हैं तो इसके लिए इंजेक्शंस एज यू नो एम्फाथेरिसिन बी लेना पड़ता है.
तो वो सारी चीज़ें अभी आपको बोली गई हैं. We have seen that just yesterday, in fact, we have seen a spike in the number of cases for white fungus that had also been detected. Let's get a word from the doctor herself who is also treating the patients in civil hospital to understand what exactly is the new kind of white fungus that is being detected in the patients who have been treated with COVID-19 as well. Ma'am, if I could speak to you, ये जो white fungus के cases हमें अभी देखने को मिल रहे हैं, specifically अगर उसके बारे में अगर आप बात कर पाएं, तो क्या हमें देखने को मिल रहा है, कितने cases आए हैं, and what are the symptoms, especially जो ये white fungus का भी अभी जो नए cases आए?
See, white fungus and black fungus are not different entity altogether. Mostly in post-COVID era with the fungal infection, we get more of the mucormycosis patients, about 99%. But when we do the surgery, in about 1 or 2% of the cases, we also find some white fungus along with it. So it's already there since long. It's not a new entity for first of all. And in the rainy season, post rains, when there is sun, you see a lot of such fungus all around in the year and all. That is regularly on the regular basis also.